So nanobiology can be considered the intersection of biology and nanotechnology. And much of nanobiology uses the tools and techniques of molecular biology to manipulate and analyze nucleic acids and proteins, which are themselves on a nanoscale. And we have two approaches to this. We can use a nanotechnology to analyze part of a living system, or use part of a living system to model a nanotechnology or device. A lot of this field relies on techniques such as electron and atomic force microscopy, which we can use to visualize both cells and parts of cells, as well as the devices that we create. We're also interested in the biophysics of the interactions of DNA and proteins, as well as cell membrane structure and function, and also the self-assembly of molecules as we see in all cells.
The world of nanoscale science is a world of changing sizes, and nanochemistry is right in the middle. For decades, biologists have worked with micrometer-sized cells, chemists with angstrom-sized molecules, and physicists with picometer-sized atomic particles. But in the shape-shifting world of nanoscale science, everything changes. When biologists come down in size and chemists come up in size, they meet in the bold and exciting new world of nanoscience. Like Alice, when she changed sizes, an exciting wonderland full of new discoveries awaited as she crosses through that door. Just as Alice discovered rabbits that talk and mystifying Mad Hatters, so too chemists have discovered materials with physical and chemical properties that do not exist anywhere other than at the nanoscale. Chemists are heavily focused on the discovery and synthesis of new materials and methodologies. Like a carpenter building a home, these tools and materials provide the building blocks for solving the physical, chemical, biological, medicinal, and engineering challenges of the future. Chemists acquire these materials with radically new properties by modifying the size, shape, and surfaces of nanomaterials. The optical and electronic properties of nanoparticles can be modified by changing their size. The chemical properties of even well-known compounds can change. At Northwest Missouri State University, we have expert faculty working in a variety of nanochemistry fields. Dr. Shelley Riley, an analytical chemist, along with undergraduate students, is researching the use of nanoparticles for drug delivery. Research has shown that the formulation and efficiency of pharmaceuticals can be improved by the use of nanoparticle suspensions. Dr. Jawad Meziani, a materials chemist, has received funding from the National Science Foundation and collaborated with researchers at NASA on his work in nanomaterials. His work has included carbon nanotubes, nanopolymers, nanofibers, and nanoparticles. These carbon nanotubes can be single-walled and multi-walled and have electrical properties similar to either semiconductors or metals. Professor Rafiq Islam, a biochemist, has received funding from the National Institutes of Health for his cancer research. He has developed a new method using microwaves to synthesize silver nanoparticles. This new methodology recently received federal recognition through the patenting of this technique. These and other faculty members at Northwest Missouri State University combine teaching and research in nanochemistry for the education of students and the advancement of science.